You were here still. That's great. Perhaps it's good that I tell you a little bit about the building blocks of our platform. So the things that you kind of need to think about, right? So we have sequences that I did mention before. The sequences are essentially your programs, and there's a video somewhere here that explains this in more detail. And these are the programs that you send to us. We'll run them on our infrastructure in the cloud, or perhaps on the infrastructure that you want to put somewhere physically, or maybe you have your own cloud VPC that you want to run them. Now, in order to run them in different places, what you need to set up is a hub, a Transform hub. This is our open core part of the platform, and well, you can use it in an open source way and just install it on your machine if you don't need the cloud connectivity. But we would highly recommend and suggest that you actually use the platform. It's one single place from which you can access any place where that's running the Transform hub connected to our cloud. There's the Add Hub button in the space here, so the button is somewhere in this place, and it will guide you through the whole process. You'll see a number of commands to connect that hub to the cloud. And once you see it in our panel or listed in the SI command, you can then execute programs on those hubs. Now, those hubs connect to our cloud platform space, and the space is essentially a data plane that exchanges all the information between all the different hubs that you connect to our cloud. Whether you want to use Kubernetes backend in the cloud through an adapter, or you want to use some Docker on a server that's sitting in your under your desk or in your office or in some other place, or you can even use a Raspberry Pi. And well, you can actually use a Raspberry Pi Zero. The only recommendation is that you'd use a pretty fast SD card, because extracting a number of files may be quite slow in this case, but otherwise, even in that really memory-constrained system, you can run your programs. Now, if you wanted any additional places, if your use case says, oh, I need VMs, or I need this drone to be one of the systems where I can run the programs and so on, let us know. Here in the support section, there's this recommend feature button. I think it's in the middle. Yeah, send us your use case. We'd love to hear from you, and then try to make it work for you. I mean, perhaps there's some development that needs to be done, but we kind of like to do development, so why not? So yeah, looking forward to hearing from you. See you later.